Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about CSS. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and it works as an extension for HTML. It's the best option if we want to organize and decorate our web page, and it's actually quite easy to use. However, there are lots and lots of features we can use on this programming language, so I will be just going over the basics in this video here. So this right here is a CSS document, and as you can see, it's really easy to understand. I mean, the commands are short, and yeah, there's nothing complex about it. And I will be going over each one of them in a minute. And this right here is the HTML for the previous video's web page right here. And so the only difference is that I created this text here with the command P, which is just for normal text. And with these formats here, I just turn the color to blue. I made it bold, and I turned the font family to Arial. And this is the result right here. It's blue, bold, and in the Arial type of text. So, sorry for the chair. So first of all, what we need to do before typing in any command in the CSS document is to link it with the HTML. Or yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I'm sorry. So we're gonna need this command right here, the link command. This is one of the only cases in which we don't have to close the command. We don't need to use this bar right here, this slash, neither here, neither later. You just close it like that, and that's it. You forget about it. So inside the link command, we're gonna use the rel attribute, in which we will type style sheet, like as for cascading a style sheet. Then in type, well, the type of the document, which is text in this type, CSS, and then the attribute we all know for the links, which is href, in which we will put the exact location of the file. So this is the location of the file, the location of where I have my file, my CSS. So in users, Inigo, desktop, and etc. And this is the name, and that's it. That's how you link it. So here I just what I did to link with to format the test is to choose the type of test, which is P, which is the default test, and I just give these commands to transform it. There are a lot of commands, and you can search for them in the internet. It's really easy to find them, so I'm not going to show all of them because they are like up to 30 or so, maybe more. So this is the ones I used. So let's go into create another test, and I'm going to explain you how to format it. So I'm going to create a space here just so I can type another test, and I don't know, let's use the H4 type test right here, and I don't know, this is another formatted text. Oh, text. There you go. So this is already linked with the CSS, so we don't need to do another link command or anything. We already have that. So just if we want to change the type of text, so we just gonna use this command. It's h4, and we open the key and just giving some space, and we close it. So I'm gonna do something quite simple. We just gonna have to change the color to red, for example. So we put it to red. We save it. You can notice it, but I just save it with Control S. In Mac it's different. It's Command S, but it's just the same. You save it with a command, and just go to the web page. We refresh it, and here it is. So if I just wait, I'm going to. Oops, sorry. if I just do this, I'm sorry for this. If I take off this command, see what's gonna happen. It just goes back to normal. So yeah, that's what it does. It's quite simple. So say, I mean, I want to set another sample just in case. So you see this text here, text before the image, text after the image, and this one we said in the link tutorial. This is the bottom of the web page. These all are I'm sorry, wait a second, H3 type text. So I want to edit all those texts at the same time, like all the texts that are of H3 type. I want to make all them red. I'm using this as an example. So I'm just, yeah, in fact, I'm gonna use another command, which is word spacing, the 2 points right here. I don't know. This is measured in pixels, so we're just gonna do, I don't know, 20 pixels. And also, I forgot to tell, don't ever forget to put the semicolon at the end of each line, because otherwise it won't work. And like this, and that's it. We just save it, and see here that every text, you see how it is now. I'm just gonna refresh it, and the word spacing is just going to do this. I'm just going to set a space between words. It's as simple as that. Oh, so yeah, so this is a simple way to edit text. Like you can, the CSS also lets you edit photos and tables, and I mean not tables. I mean tables. I forgot how it was called. Maybe forms, but well, yeah. And as I said, I'm going to the basics. And last but not least, I'm going to explain, like, say we want to edit the H3 type text, but I don't want to change this, neither this. I just want to change this one right here, okay? Just after the image. So what you're gonna do is to set a name for that H3. So this is the text we're looking for. So yeah, we need to set a name so we can then search for it here and just change that one. So we're gonna choose, okay, first of all, we need to use the class attribute. We couldn't get to it, and let's just name it text1. Okay, right there. And now we have it. We have to go here. Instead of h3, we're gonna do type full stop text1. That's it. It's as simple as that. And now, if we refresh it, there you go. It just edits this one. Because if we go down here, it's normal, but the text we selected, because we gave it the name, is formatted as we say here. So yeah, it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching.